A leader today needs two essential tools. One is the microscope. It reveals the fine details of immediate threats and opportunities. It is for managing the present. The other tool is the telescope. It brings the far-off future into view. It is for shaping what is to come. Great leadership means shifting between both, constantly. Today, urgent problems demand full attention. These are the details under the microscope. Supply chain disruptions, inflation, immediate cyber threats. Meanwhile, slow-moving forces reshape the landscape. Through the telescope, AI, low-carbon transition, shifting geopolitics. The tension between short-term pressure and long-term vision is real and measurable. Global CEO confidence in 12-month growth has fallen sharply. Fewer leaders feel confident than at any point in years. Geopolitics, inflation, cyber risks, microscope problems demand vigilance. Anxiety often breeds defensiveness, cutting costs, delaying investments, avoiding risk, patching leaks instead of building a faster, more resilient ship. But there is a counter-narrative. Dynamic reinvention outperforms cautious defense. These firms reshape for a new reality. Bold moves, strategic bets, self-disruption, reconfigure operations, explore new markets, invest in AI and transformative tech. The result, higher growth and profitability. In a fast-changing world, the greatest risk is not taking one. To shift from defense to reinvention, focus long-term effort where it matters. 5 frontiers create tomorrow's advantage. First, build an enterprise-wide AI foundation. Many dabble in pilots, few scale. Treat AI as a core capability, clean data, robust systems, integrated workflows. Second, expand across sectors with clear logic. Boundaries blur. Retail can become healthcare. Financial firms can become cloud providers. Example, leveraging internal scale to create a platform for others. Third, make innovation systematic and repeatable. Manage a portfolio across time horizons. Fourth, embed climate risk and opportunity into decisions. Risk and new markets, both are material. Fifth, protect and build trust on data, AI fairness, climate impact, and workforce commitments. Section 4. Practical steps for strategic action. Understanding the 5 frontiers is step 1. Progress requires concrete action. Measure core data quality. You cannot build smart systems on messy foundations. Assess critical data sets and clean them. Pick one high-impact, low-complexity use case. Inventory optimization. Marketing personalization. Launch a pilot and demonstrate value quickly. Audit core competencies. Logistics, customer data analysis, managing complex networks. Choose an adjacent sector where your strength solves a real problem. Pilot a partnership before pursuing M&A. Start small, learn fast. Balancing the now and the next. Short-term fires are real and pressing. Markets, boards, and the news cycle pull focus back to the microscope. Ignoring near-term health, cash flow, or cyber defense invites failure. You will not be around to execute a brilliant strategy. Secure today's safety and stability first. But survival alone is not the goal. Endure and flourish over the long term. Start with a simple time audit this week. The ratio is often startlingly skewed to the present. Carve out protected telescope time. Dedicate sessions to AI and climate opportunity. Choose one quick win and test it within 90 days. Engage 2 partners on resilience and trust. Align your ecosystem around long-term goals.